ZeroKey's Quantum RTLS is a positioning system that tracks 3D location with an accuracy of 1.5 millimeters in real time. Wearable wristbands equipped with ZeroKey mobile sensors precisely track step-by-step processes as they occur. With a sensor mounted to a tool, the technology automates bolt sequencing steps to verify the tool is on the right bolt at the right time. Digital twins of production cells and interactive instructions guide users through assembly workflows as steps are successfully completed. As the sensor enters and exits unique geofenced zones around individual components, the system can identify that the right part is picked and placed in the assembly jig correctly. By achieving 1.5 millimeter positioning accuracy, Quantum RTLS can identify the location of each bolt in the assembly jig despite them being only a few millimeters apart. The system is simultaneously tracking the location of the tool to ensure the worker is completing the bolt sequencing process correctly. When an error occurs, corrective feedback is provided to the user instantly, resulting in a highly automated and seamless quality control process that increases yield while minimizing production overhead. During pick-and-place operations, live task monitoring enables detailed error detection of incorrect picks and missed steps. Errors are identified and corrected in real time, increasing throughput and fulfillment accuracy while decreasing new employee training time. Real-time tracking of human-centric processes enables seamless handoff between human and robotic tasks, such as AMR dispatching, without the need for manual inputs or data entry. Quantum RTLS provides complete transparency into dynamic manufacturing operations and processes, driving improved operational efficiency and quality control. Schedule a demo and learn more at zerokey.com/manufacturing.